friends, now I am in Bisan Bihar. I'm going to stay in Meghalaya House. So how to reach Meghalaya House? To reach Meghalaya House, first thing, if you come during the day, if you know how to come by metro, the metro station is right here. You can come by metro station. If you come during the night, you can call by Uber, Ola. I think you can charge you like 200, 300 for you. So if you come during the day, you can do by auto also. You can bargain if you have the bargaining skill. For your information, as you can see from here, this is Meghalaya House in Wasan Vihar. In Delhi, there are two Meghalaya House. One is in here, Wasan Vihar, and one is in Aurangzeb Road. And you can get number 3 room only in here in Wasan Vihar. As you can see, right next to Meghalaya House, there is Mizoram House and Jharkhand Bhavan. Meghalaya House, as you can see Meghalaya House. How far is Meghalaya House from the airport? From the airport is around 10 kilometers, and from Old Delhi's railway station is around about 20 kilometers. From New Delhi railway station is around maybe 12 or 15 kilometers. You can search on Google. You have a mobile. How to reach here? I can tell you. You can reach by metro station is outside, and you can reach by auto, by taxi, everything. You can book Ola, Uber. You can get them easily. If you come by night, it's good for you to book Ola and Uber, any one of them. And as I can tell you that there are two Meghalaya House in Delhi. One is Aurangzeb Road, and this one is in Wasan Vihar. And I can give you the number of phone of Aurangzeb and Wasan Vihar. And call this number and ask about the price of the room, how can you get the room, you can ask them. Now I can tell you about this Wasan Vihar. You can get in dormitory room. I am only still in dormitory room, so I will tell you how is the room in dormitory room. In other room I don't know, because I've never stayed in the other room, single room, double room, I never stayed. So I will tell you, let's go inside and see what's is good or bad. You can check it by yourself. If you would like to stay, you can come here. If you not, it's up to you, your choice. And the price is 150 per person per night for student also, and for anybody changes just recently.